Today I have with you the easiest way to make Play-Doh, which can be used for kids to play, and also you can also use it as a clay to make sculptures like these. Hello everyone, this is Suparna. Welcome to my channel Peaky Pops. Please like, subscribe and hit the ring bell if you like my videos. So let's get started. We'll take half cup salt and half cup water, and we have to mix it properly. Quantity of salt is a lot because it is going to act as a preservative and help your final product to be safe from fungus and insects. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can add any oil. Just stir a bit and add 1 cup of refined flour or maida, and then you have to bind it together with the help of spoon. Now you just simply use your hand and make a dough from this. It's a very simple thing and it will happen within seconds. Now your white Play-Doh is ready. To make colorful dough, you just need any colors. I have used acrylic colors from Fevicryl, but you can also use food colors or herbal products like haldi, roli or anything like that. Just mix it with part of the clay which you have made and simply just mix it together to get your final colored Play-Doh. Here you have it. Now just see how soft it is, and it's going to be really fun playing with it or making sculptures out of it. Similarly, you can make other colors like red or whatever you want for your products. Here I'm making 3 different colors simultaneously. Just take a part of white dough, add the colors, sprinkle some flour if you find it a liquid consistency, then just add a little flour so that the consistency is right as per your requirement. And see how easily our colorful dough is ready. Within 5 minutes, you have so many bright colors, and now you can just store them in any ziplock bag and keep it in airtight container. You can save it for a month time and use it again and again. And if you have made this non-toxic safe dough for your kids, just give them right away. Here my daughter is enjoying the Play-Doh. Also, I would like to share that I have made one Ganeshi idol using the same dough, and I will share the full tutorial of this idol in my upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.